So if you're in the same situation as me, and whenever you reboot your computer on and type it and open up the browser, and the first thing you type in your keyboard is, let's say, Chinese instead of English, and you want to change that, this is how you do it. You open up Windows browser and type in language settings. After doing so, go to this here, and you can choose an input method to always use as default. After doing so, go here and change it to English or any other language you want, and basically restart your computer. And the next time you do so, it will show up in English.